What if I told you that just $100 could be the beginning of your wealth building journey? Most people think investing is only for rich people. They believe they need thousands of dollars before they can start. But the truth is that many successful investors started with very small amounts of money. If I only had $100 to invest in 2026, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would avoid trying to get rich quickly. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing promises of fast money. They see social media posts claiming that a small investment can turn into millions overnight. In reality, most of those promises fail. Instead, I would focus on building wealth slowly and consistently. The first thing I would do is make sure I have my basic finances under control. Investing is important, but avoiding high-interest debt is often even more important. If someone is paying very high interest on debt, reducing that burden can sometimes be the smartest financial move. Once I am ready to invest, I would focus on diversification. Rather than putting all my money into one company or one risky idea, I would spread my investment across many businesses through broad market investments. Why? Because nobody can predict the future perfectly. Even professional investors make mistakes. Diversification helps reduce risk and allows you to participate in the growth of many companies instead of betting everything on one. Now, let's talk about the biggest advantage small investors have: time. Most people underestimate the power of time. Imagine investing consistently over many years.